Alright guys, today is the 25th of November. There was a strong earthquake that has hit India and the magnitude of the earthquake was 6.1. 6.1 is okay, it's not considered that is strong. Okay, it has happened the border of India and Myanmar. As I said, it has happened today is the 26th of November. So far, there is no immediate report of damage or death. Okay, so let us recap. An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 has hit India today, the 26th of November. Now guys, I want you to see what I knew a few months ago. Title is Earthquake in India, and I'll let you guys read the rest. I missed completely the magnitude of the earthquake. Is not a 7.2 as per my dream. In fact, it's a 6.1. And lots of houses will be destroyed and people will be killed. Nothing such has happened. But still, I would say the precision of this dream is still 75%. Apart from me, nobody else, whether USGS or whoever it might be, knew that India is going to be hit by an earthquake. And I was close in the magnitude. Thank you for watching guys. Please share it, okay?